Good morning, everyone. Take two. I accidentally turned my phone off, so I had to start all over, but I didn't get too far. But this is a beautiful morning. It's sunshiny. It's on the cool side, which I love because I'm very hot nature, probably because I'm fat. But anyway, besides that, it's beautiful. And I see my Zane out there on the catwalk. Sorry about that. I scatter talk a lot. You'll notice that. So anyway, today's April 1st, and today was the day that I was going to announce the winner for my giveaway. But unfortunately, I found the comment picker. I watched YouTube channels on how to do it. For some reason, I can figure out how to do it on my iPhone or my iPad. So, and I waited to the last minute to try to figure that out. So I'm going to get my husband to help me. And I'm still going to announce the winner, just it'll probably be in maybe later today or another day. So, moving on. April Fools! Did I fool you? Huh? I have the winner. I figured it out. But I'm not announcing it till towards the end of this video. And it's not going to be a long video. I hope you watch it through because I need some time watched on my videos. They're not being watched very long. And I know people are busy, but it would help. So anyway, I want to take my phone off here and show you, oops, sorry. Oops, if I can get it off. Okay, let me show you my, see, I have two finished objects. Okay, let me move this. And I finally finished my glorious granny blanket. Here it is. Let me get up. It's my glorious granny blanket. The tutorials on YouTube by Fiber Spider. I finished the border in black. But I'm loving it. I have a queen size bed and it takes up my whole bed. So and I use scrap yarn, but I like vibrant colors, so that's what I tend to go towards on my projects. Okay, and then next I had this real old cozy cover, jar cover, and I'm like needing another jar, so I wanted another cover. So I made this mason jar cozy, and the tutorial is called How to Crochet Mason Jar Cover. And it's by Handmade by Raine, R-A-I-N-E, but I will put both of these down in the description box. And on this I used my ice yarn. Let me get that. I used this ice yarn, and it is 100% acrylic. It's called Acryl, A-C-R-Y-A, there it is, Acryl, A-C-R-Y-L, yellow. Yellow's my favorite color. You'll hear me say that a lot. Isn't that pretty? And I used a number 3 hook. A number 3.25 hook. This is a size 3 yarn. And but Handmade by Raine, she used cotton, and they were bonbons. And she used 2 bonbons on that. Okay, so then next I will show you my WIPs. Put that back up. And it is that circular Motiff Shawl. Bear with me while I spread it out and I can show you what I've gotten accomplished. Which I'm really liking this. Ooh, it's going down over the bed. Okay, here's where I'm at. See up here, these big gaps? Well, that's what I'm working on. So there, I put one in. There, I put one in. There. You know, from here on down. I've got the inner motifs done. And so I got to finish 1, 2, 3. So I've got 6 inner motifs to do. And then I got to do the outside edges on both sides. I'm not sure how many of those. Well, it's 9 motifs, so it'll be 18 outside motifs that I've got to do. So that's that. Woo! Let's see, what's next? Oh, and that's called the Circular Motiff Shawl. I wanted to tell you what it is, in case you want to do it. And it's by Yarnspirations. Mikey does it. And I used ice yarn, just right here. Ice. And it's a number 4. And it's 25% wool, 75% premium acrylic, and 208 yards. And I used a 5mm hook. He explains it really well. It looks like it'd be hard, but it's not. Okay, so that also will go in the description box. So, I'm sorry I'm winded. I have congestive heart failure, and up until this past week, I've dealt with it really well, but it sure has acted up. So doctor did a video call on me, and he put me on prednisone, which is a steroid, and an antibiotic. Boy, you hear them birds? Oh, that's the guineas. See the guineas out there making a racket? They're the best things for ticks. If you have ticks problem, which I had Lyme disease for 3.5 years from a tick bite. So I won't go without guineas. I never see ticks. And one time something came and got all our guineas, and it was a nightmare. I had started having ticks everywhere. So we went back out and got more guineas, and now we are doing fine. Okay, so I'm back. So anyway, I was telling you about my congestive heart failure. I'll tell you, the prednisone makes you want to eat, and it's awful. So, oh, look, you like my earrings? Look at that. Aren't they pretty? I know it don't go exactly with my outfit, but I think they're so pretty. And Jeannette with DOYcreations. It's all joined together. DOY in all capitals. Creations. And she makes these. I bought 3 pairs from her. I think they were $12 a pair when I got them. But isn't that pretty? She makes different shapes, different colors. So, and she makes hats, scarves. She's really sweet. You need to go check her out. I'll put her in the description box. But, and she always starts out her videos glorifying Yah, Y-A-H, which means, or Y-A, which means she glorifies God. Yah is the word in Hebrew for God. So, anyway, I admire her for doing that. Okay, so, for the giveaway, I'm going to, oh, my screen went off. Okay, let me get the box, okay? Show you what you are getting, the winner, again. Here we go. Ice yarns. I'm not going to go into everything about them again, but you're getting 2 packages of this one. Pretty colors. And you're getting this one. This is more spring. So, hope you like them. Alright, so here we go. Let's announce the winner. And it is, to my screen. What is that on my screen? Okay. Adele Romero. I hope I said your name right. Winner is Adele Romero. Okay, Adele? I will have my email address down below in the description box. Please send me your address, information, and I will get these mailed off as soon as possible. Well, I wish my guineas would be quiet. Let me shut this window. Congratulations, Adele. Everybody congratulate her. And I think that's all I had to say. Yep, that's it. That's all I had to say. I love you guys. From my heart to yours, from deep within, I love you. Thank you for watching so much. I appreciate it. I really, really do. This has really been good for me. Keeps me busy. And look at that. Y'all should have told me I had that. Anyway, I'm going to let you go. Adele, remember, give me your information. Congratulations. And I'm going to be doing another giveaway real soon. I already have it set out, ready to announce, but I'm going to do that on another video. Please share me. Try to get other people to watch my videos if you don't mind. And I love you. Really, I honestly do. Bye.